It's my last hour of being a teenager. Last 20 minutes, actually. I don't have any big plans. I didn't have my friends over. I love my friends. Come with me on this will be a little vlog. I haven't done a vlog in a minute, so I gotta catch the folks at home up on what's going on. I don't actually think we have a lit week coming up. You know, just spend some time with me. You know, we'll see how it goes. Yeah, 15 minutes. Crazy.
Sasha versus Audrey.
I don't want to hurt you, princess. It's such a kiss.
Why is this so gentle, bro?
I love Audrey. What the hell?
Bro, Sasha, stop trying to riz Audrey up with this game, bro.
Ready?
Bro, it's ready!
No. Fair fight.
You ain't never had a fair fight in your life.
What do you mean? I won fair and swear against Nathan.
Okay, fight now.
Sasha, no injuries.
Fight now, guys.
Go!
Ready?
3, 2, 1, start!
Oh, shoot. Oh, God.
I got scared. I'm gonna get your face, bro.
Ariana, don't hold back.
No, hold back a little bit.
I just know what game we're playing. She's like genuinely fighting him, bro.
Yeah, this is better.
Oh, things are getting serious.
The Asian part of it.
I'm gonna pull like Jaden Smith in the backflip and kick his face.
Bro, yeah, I'd love to see that.
Easy, I go in. Yeah. Wait, how do you do the
Okay, don't role play. Actually, do it. Like, and then what?
Oh, wait. Oh, my
I
God.
want to do that.
Guys, I forgot their part.
Please. Oh.
It's just gentle. Wow.
They really love each other, low-key.
Yo, she kissed.
Ew, what the?
Sorry. I'm ready to the back of my head, took out my face. I'm gonna wrap around it.
Nick, pull out your slap method quickly.
What do you have jewelry on? Oh yeah, that's a good point.
Oh, what?
Oh, I got this. No,
1v1.
What? Oh.
Alright.
Oh, no. Oh.
Nick, you're gonna snatch my eyeball out. Calm down, I'm calm.
Bro, Sasha, lock in. You got this. Come on, Sasha. Come on. Do this, Sasha. Put it in the Bro, Sasha, offensive, not defensive. Sasha, offensive, not defensive. Come on. Sasha, get him. Sasha, tackle him. Tackle him. Tackle him. Sasha, jump. Sasha. Sasha.
underneath.
Hey!
Ijabi versus Ridwan. Rainbow's a word for it.
Super lesbian guy.
No, you should get Sasha's beanie.
You're gonna keep doing this.
Okay. Allahu Akbar.
Salam alaikum.
Wait, nobody's won yet. Not yet.
Wow! What the fuck? Did I grab it?
Every single time.
Put the fingers or you're not.
Look.
What are they doing?
They're gonna go for each other's feet.
Socks?
Yeah.
If we do it,
Ew. I got that on video.
can we start on the ground?
Yeah, okay.
Immediately submissive, bro. What the heck?
Right. Looks like a cat.
Guys, let the background music be Nathan's toe song.
Oh, how is that? No, yes! 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 Yes!
Nathan when he gets to see a woman's foot. What the heck?
Oh. What the hell is that? Oh, come on. What the hell?
Wait, on, it's still halfway on. It's still halfway on.
That was so painful. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Sasha. Happy birthday to you.
No, there's food in the way. Dish, you know?
And this is like meat soap too. Oh.
No!
Sorry.
I'm officially retired.
You're officially retiring. Pass me the die. Guys, pass me the die. How do you feel?
Stop being a drama queen. It's literally like no one is even gonna be able to see it.
Oh shit, it looks so bad.
It's divine.
One sec, I'm trying to handle some business.
Oh my god.
We got caught, that's on me. Are you the one who broke the dog?
Just pick up a piece off the side and break it aesthetic. Oh, that's so fire. That's good. That's really good. I'm gonna go in for another read.
You just play. You playing when you're 9. They're really it.
I play what?
Yeah. Whoa! Oh, I'll take it for the. I'll take it for.
Okay, ready?
She'll be standing there with the golden in her hair. Oh, take me home to where I'm from, January. January is the time I am with her. It's air into my lungs. Noticing what I couldn't notice. Singing songs I've never sung. And I'll be standing there.
The hands of life.